So in my last video I was talking about how one company with a couple of websites was using 13 different pages to push their content onto Facebook with different names like President Donald J. Trump page, Right Wing Tribune, Trump's Deplorables, Southern Rebel, Voice of America, let's see, Nation in Distress, extremely pissed off right-wingers. There's something for everyone there. And that they were passing this along to something like 5.7 million potential pages, potential accounts for people to see. Well, I wanted to show you what that looks like when they do this. So let's take a look at one story, just one headline. The Voice of the People shared, breaking, Melania and Ivanka just got attacked. Please send your prayers. This is totally out of control. And now I'm a little bit alarmed about Melania and Ivanka's well-being because they've gotten attacked in this breathless headline. And it's got a little reach. There's 14 reactions here, but it's early days. It's also shared on President Donald J. Trump page. Let's see, 69 reactions, 101 shares. Same thing, same site. Let's continue. Right Wing Tribune shared it. No reaction yet. Let's see. Trump's Deplorables. Same story, 13 hours ago. AFF News. Same headline, same picture, everything. Southern Rebel. Got a little bit of reaction down here. They've shared it 13 hours ago. The Voice of America, 13 hours ago. Now, Deplorable Patriots shared the post from President Donald J. Trump page, and here's why. When you do that, and if someone's not liked the page, you get this handy little button where you can do that. You can like both pages. So they're pushing traffic toward President Donald J. Trump as well to build that group up. Let's see. Next one, Conservative News Now. Same breathless headline, 13 hours ago. Nation in Distress. Melania and Ivanka just got attacked. Please send your prayers. I am really worried about these women now. Dean James, whatever percent. Same thing. 13 hours ago. Extremely pissed off right-wingers, 13 hours ago. And the Angry Conservative, Truth Liberals Hate, shared the same thing from the President Donald J. Trump page for the same button with the likes. And in every one of these groups, or every one of these pages, I have people that I know that like these pages. But what happened? What happened to Melania and Ivanka? Let's find out. When we click on the site, and we get past the breathy headline, it's because Meryl Streep is calling them out for being silent on sexual assault. Oh. Okay. So if you go all the way down, this is by Alex Thomas here, even though Dean James has his name up there. Here we go. Down at the bottom, it says that the article was written at this site by Alex Thomas, but that AFF has the permission to reprint it. So they didn't even make this up on their own, or they didn't even create this bait and switch. They got that from someone else and made it into a bait and switch. That's how this stuff works. And they used 12 different Facebook pages to spread it. It's that easy. And that's why it's so difficult to tamp down on fake news and clickbait, because these guys have 12 places that they can share it here and have done.